Hey guys, so we just went to a park called the Nature Park. Nikita Nature Park, I meant. No, not the YouTuber Nikita. So now we're just walking home. Ooh. Yeah, we're near a church and everything. I have my friend with me, but he doesn't like to be on camera. You don't care? You don't care. You should make some videos, like post them on your channel.
Or I could just keep them and post them to somewhere else.
Maybe. So sorry about my hair, it's windy. So go on his channel, give him some love, subscribe, click the notification on him, and his is Matthew Bazoo. It's my video. I'm gonna give you some content. Tell him your last name.
How you spell my last name is B-E-S-E-A-U.
That's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. So, God, this is my first time actually posting my face. Well, not really. I have an app called Like, but we're running now.
I'm trying to run so I can get a little so I can make my...
Okay. Sorry about my hair again. Just over there. So he's making a video, I'm making a video. So yeah, subscribe, click the notification bell, comment down below, and please give me some love and him some love. That is, please. I made some videos on my computer. It's cool and everything, but that was really weird. So yeah, that's where I live. It's near the Nikita Nature Park. Near, okay? Near. That's all I'm gonna give you where I live.
Tina Marvel.
Hey. So yeah, that's all I have today. I'm gonna post more about my life and his life and everything like that. Bye.